Welcome, everyone. Today we're starting Python from the very beginning, and by the end of this playlist, you'll confidently know the basics. If Python isn't installed on your computer yet, don't worry. Check the link in the description for a quick setup guide. Now let's jump into our first examples. We start with the classic, printing a message on the screen. It's the simplest way to make Python talk to us. In this case, we're telling it to show a friendly greeting. It's small, it's simple, but it's the beginning of everything you'll create with code. Next, we print two lines, one after the other. Here, Python displays one word, then moves to a new line to show the second. This helps us understand how Python naturally organizes text, giving each line its own space. Then we move on to something interesting, keeping both words on the same line. Instead of jumping to the next line, we tell Python to stay right where it is and continue writing. It's a great example of how we can control the flow of our output and make the final result appear exactly the way we want. After that, we print several words at once. Python places a space between each item and displays them together. It's a simple demonstration of how Python handles multiple pieces of information in a single instruction. And finally, we take it one step further by changing the character between each word. Instead of a space, we place a separator that connects each part with a different symbol. This shows how flexible Python can be when formatting text for the screen. To wrap up our examples, we also display a message that takes up more than one line. This shows how Python can easily handle text that spans multiple lines, making it perfect for longer messages, paragraphs, or anything that needs a bit more room. And that's it for our very first Python lesson. If you enjoyed this, make sure to join me in the next video where we'll continue learning Python step by step. See you there.